In this video, I make some stainless countertops for a haunted hotel in Arkansas. Coming up. So I heard that this hotel is haunted.
That's what they say.
Have you seen any?
I haven't.
You haven't?
I haven't.
Just only stories, or?
Yep. You need to talk to Jerry. He has a story.
Okay, I couldn't put Jerry's story in here. We were trying to keep this PG, but those are the countertops that they wanted replaced there. Not doing the sinks, going to be drop-in sinks, so just got the measurements off some specs. Here's the flat cutouts, and you see a little notch right there that just we'll be bending those back in, so we'll have to fill in that notch. I'll show you later. So this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you a couple things on the brake and what I do to the underside of the countertops. So if you notice, this is like a 6-inch flange on this backsplash, and so in order to break that on a brake, you know, you got to put it off to one side. So you could pretty much do this on 3 sides, 4 sides. You really couldn't do that, but you know, you could do 8 inches tall if you wanted, or 10 inches tall if you hang it off the side of the brake. And these are just the corners before you're welding it up. I've got videos on how to polish those if you want to check those out. Just a regular inside corner. I think you've seen that before on one other video. I'll just fuse that, polish the top, grind that out. Yeah, and there's that notch there. So in the flat pattern, you've seen that it took up all that space. So just after you get it broke up, you got to add a filler piece back in and polish that out. And on the underside, I just added some MDF. It's usually pretty flat, but I had this leaning up against the wall vertically, and it got pretty warped. So I just added some kerf marks. There's 2 layers here around the edges, but the one that was in one piece added those kerf marks, and then it laid flat. I added, I used contact adhesive, and that worked pretty good because I had to deliver it pretty quick, so I didn't want to use any clamps. And this is the finished project here, and they turned out pretty good. I didn't install them. They did up there, and yeah, looked pretty good. Next video coming out, it'll be a zinc, messing around with some zinc, soldering some zinc for some countertops and some seats. So that'll be coming up, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.